Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's do a little hand drill this morning. I need to find another fireboard for it. And believe it or not, I can get a great fireboard out of this water oak, this highly degraded water oak. Let's bust into this one and see if we can find some spalted wood. All right, I got a Corona razor tooth saw, $25 at Tractor Supply, or get it off Amazon. And I'm glad there's some spalted wood in this right here. I think this one's going to work just fine for us. Let me show you what it looks like. And this one is spalted nicely, so. This will be our fireboard. My never miss yucca spindle, although it's getting a lot harder to produce an ember now that it's so much shorter. Now that, we started off with a 1/4 inch end, now we're up to about 5/16. Let's go for the burn in. This board is not going to work until it gets dried out. So in about 3 days it should produce. So let me go get another board that will work. Here's a fireboard that will work. And let's go ahead and make this 2-hole fireboard technique ember. Right here. The dust will collect over in this divot and build up and touch the bottom of that spindle, which will ignite it and make an ember over here. come down on this diameter a little bit. You can sort of tell it's ignited when you see that ember pop up. And it made that ember exactly like I told you it would. I had to build up enough dust over on this side for that pile to get up and touch the bottom of that spindle, and then it ignited very easily. I might be smothering it out, but I don't think so. This wood needs to get a hold of that heat and dry itself out, so. All right, we'll let it sit there and get hot and go to flames. All right, y'all, do me a favor before you leave my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll be using more of that in the future. And once again, here's the fireboard that will be drying out for a few days before we try it.